ఎస్ 7 దీపక్ ఓకే. ప్రస్తుతం మనం ఆప్తా గ్లోబల్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్లో ఉన్నాం. మనతో పాటు దీపక్ గారు ఉన్నారు, VS7 సాఫ్ట్వేర్ సొల్యూషన్స్ నుంచి. సార్ నైస్ టు మీట్ యూ. ఆప్తా గ్లోబల్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్కి వచ్చారు, ఎలా ఉంది?
It's really helpful for us. Chala happy on it, and even from evening also, yesterday evening also I was here, and I'm seeing all these facilities and all, and the companies which are coming here. It is helpful for getting your more networking and all, where you can grow your own networking, and you can establish a connection between the people within US and within India and US. Both the people we are here. So it's very helpful to for startup companies like me. It's very helpful for them.
So VS7 is a startup company. Like you are into which technology, sir, right now?
I'm into SAP, and we are offering IT, non-IT, SAP, non-SAP, all. But majorly we are into SAP, staffing level and projects also we are doing.
Right now, do you have the opportunity to connect with the different individuals across world?
Yes, this is the best opportunity which I am using already and utilizing it, and they are also connecting with me, and it's really helpful.
So do you think events like this will conduct once in a year will be helpful to the entrepreneurs or the startup CEOs like you?
Yeah, it's almost like as we are a startup company where it's very difficult to connect with the people who are in USA. So those people are coming to India and to Hyderabad and meeting everyone here and gathering their informations, and we are also exchanging our like what are the contacts we have, what are the networking we have. Even some people we already know, but in this occasion we came to meet them. So it's very helpful like that.
So as of now, you have already started the startup. What kind of suggestions you will give to the young generation people, those who are yet to start the startup, are in that mindset going to start?
It's like if you're doing any job, okay, initial level is fine, like up to some kind of some financial stability and all, it will be helpful. But once you come into some kind of some bigger, it will be difficult to find out like opportunities also. So if you start kind of a business startup kind of thing right now, and think about like focus on like what you have to do from while doing job itself. If you got the kind of networking, if you get the contacts, and it will helpful for them to start up a new company. Even the future level also, it will be helpful for them to grow more network, and they can start, once they start a business also, they can easily get a contacts, whatever the contacts they have. Even not now maybe some they are in some standard level or some like kind of expressor level, but once it comes to after 5 years 10 years, they will be into some kind of good level like manager level or HR level. So if you have those contacts and if you maintain this kind of healthy relationship with them, it will be helpful for their careers also and helpful for their business also.
Actually, right now we are hearing, not from this 2007, from pink slip onwards, right now every time we will hear like it's a volatile job, software industry, so many layoffs are there, the growth part is also somewhat stringent there, like that. So many negatives are also you are hearing, sir. So what particular point convinced you to keep all those aside and you have started like this?
See, any, not only IT, if you see any business, even say real estate or any some farm, or if you see an IT, there are some ups and downs. It will be there for always. So, but if it comes to IT, as it is like kind of huge market we have, and financial stability also, so many of them are there. That's why it is coming into broader into the market. But that kind of slumps will be there in all the markets. If you see in IT, pharma, real estate, anyway it is there. But still, you have to stick to that, what you learn, what you have knowledge. If you stick with that, definitely it will help you.
Deepak sir, one straight question for you. As of now, you are especially into SAP. Nowadays, the IT industry is more toward the data engineering, cloud computing, blockchain, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, especially Gen AI and all. Are you ready to take those challenges and you are ready to expand your company in those areas as well?
SAP is, first of all, it's a ERP tool. First of all, it's not related to kind of only Gen AI. If you have some Gen AI company, if you think about the Gen AI only, okay. If you have some company where they have Gen AI, they have started a company and they have gone up into very huge levels. Okay, at the end again they want some ERP tool. SAP is helpful there.
See, everything, sir. Like at the end, we need pay and all. Even if job or if business, accounting and is important. So SAP ERP is leading. That's what you are trying to say.
Yes, the ERP tool we have SAP already, so they can have to come to again SAP only. So SAP will be there. SAP will sustain everywhere.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thanks.